Hi everyone and welcome. Lisa here for Honeybee Stamps. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm keeping it quick and simple with pattern paper and repeat stamping. Here are a few of the products I'll be using during the video. Back to Basics pattern paper, the Names Jack stamps and dies, Deckled edge dies, and the FaBOOlous stamp set, along with some 100-pound Nina Avalanche white card bases. So I'm going to get started with a little repeat stamping on my card bases with the word beautiful from the FaBOOlous stamp set. Now this is the easiest way to create clean, quick, and simple backgrounds using your sentiment stamps. Usually when I do this, I just start stamping and then I fall into a pattern pretty easily. Honestly, if I go at this mindlessly, it works out better. When I start fussing with it, overthinking it, it's usually when I end up tossing it in the wastebasket and starting over. So the best piece of advice I can give you is just don't fuss over it. Now that the backgrounds are done, so let me say this real quick. Both cards were created the exact same way. So I'm just going to show you one card. Now that the backgrounds are done, I'm going to set those aside and run 2 pieces of that pattern paper from the Back to Basics paper pad through my die cut machine with a deckled edge die, and I ran that same die back through the machine with white cardstock. That's bringing us to where we are now. So I need to stamp the face of my ghost onto my white cardstock. So I just lay my pattern paper over the white cardstock so that I know exactly where to stamp his little face. And then using my VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, I go ahead and I stamp that. I'm going to add mounting foam to the back of the pattern paper, and then we're going to position it over the white cardstock, making sure it's lined up nice and neat. So here you can see we have both of those finished. We're adding some of Honeybee's Precision Tip glue to this. This glue is amazing. I absolutely love it. I use it for sequins because it does dry clear. I do add some gold sequins to this little guy. I also decided to come in and stamp the sentiment "You Are" from that FaBOOlous stamp set onto white cardstock. I cut it with my pinking shears on the ends after I trimmed it down with my paper trimmer and used mounting foam to go ahead and add that to both of the cards. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about these in the comments below. Thanks for joining me. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll be notified of new content to the channel. And for more information on the products used, you can head over to the Honeybee Stamps website. And until next time, take care and keep crafting.